guys, so welcome to the Triathlon 2020. It's going to be slightly different this year. It's a virtual triathlon because obviously COVID has put some restrictions on our normal event. Now a triathlon normally consists of swimming, cycling and running. And what we want you to do is to still try these three activities, but the great thing about the virtual means we can allow students from nursery all the way through to year 13. It's a community event and we want you to do these three activities with siblings, with your mums, your dads, your aunts, your uncles, anybody who is part of your bubble, anybody who's part of your group. We want you to be physically active. That's it. The purpose of the triathlon is to put down the gadget, put away the keyboard, put away the iPad, shut down the TV and get yourself physically engaged together as a family unit. Now we're going to start with swimming, so we need to listen to what Miss Coralie and Mr. T have to say.
When most people participate in triathlons, they choose to swim front row. However, if you're not comfortable swimming front row, you can do backstroke, breaststroke, so don't worry about it. It could be any stroke, you can change strokes, okay? If you're a beginner swimmer, you could use a kickboard, noodle or armbands. Everyone can take part, okay? Of course, please remember to stay safe. Make sure there's an adult with you and you're in shallow water.
Hey everybody, I'm going to talk to you about open water swimming. If you don't have a swimming pool available to you, then you can swim in the sea. You could go down to Kudrat Island, you could go down to the Corniche. If you live around Alzana, Almanera, you could swim there. Remember, open water is anywhere where there's not four walls and it's not man-made. Okay. Also, please remember to have an adult with you when you're doing your swim. Stay in water that you can stand up in case you get tired. Use a noodle, use a board if you want to, change strokes if you want to. Remember, this whole triathlon is about participation, having fun and doing your best.
And then guys, once you've toweled yourself dry, you put on your trainers, put on your house top. If you don't have a house top, any colour that represents your house will work. You will then get on your bike. Let's listen to Mr. Malone for his top bike tips.
Right guys, when it comes to riding your bike, make sure you've got brakes that work. You need to make sure you've also got a good helmet that fits and a strap that makes it nice and snug so it doesn't fall off easily. Also, please be aware of pedestrians, other people that are around you, and don't go cycling on the roads because it could be a little bit dangerous with traffic. One final thing, consider wearing some sunglasses. It'll help you see in this beautiful sunshine.
So guys, you've been working really hard. You've done the swim, the bike, now it's time for the run. Let's listen to Mr. Givens on his top running tips.
Hi there, I'm here to talk about the virtual triathlon and the running element of the race. For this, what you need to make sure is you're wearing suitable clothing. A running vest or top, some shorts, comfortable trainers, not flip-flops or school shoes, because that would just be crazy. We've also got to remember that we run in a safe environment. I'm running in a field at the moment. Do not really run in amongst traffic or on pavements. You want somewhere that is nice and safe, that you're not going to make yourself in a dangerous position. Also, whilst we're running, we want to be able to run at a pace that we can keep going for the whole duration of our race. Not sprinting fast and then having to walk, have a rest, have a sleep, and then have a run again. We want to be able to keep the same pace whilst we're running, so we can finish the event and do our best that we can do. Looking forward to seeing all of you. This is Mr. Givens. Bye-bye.
So you can do the star jumps, the skipping, the burpees, the roller skating and the trampolining as an alternative cardio activity to swimming. These activities are available to those people who do not have access to a swimming pool or to open water. Remember, cardio means we want to get the heart pumping.
The correct technique for doing the burpee is starting at shoulder width, feet shoulder width wide. Okay, going all the way down, chest onto the floor, hands beside you, okay? When lifting off, not the arched back, straight back, feet underneath you, up, clearing the floor. Okay, if you're doing continuously, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, down, up, Here we go. And that is the correct way to do the burpee.
Hi everyone, Miss Kiri here, and the next activity I'm going to demonstrate today is star jump. So for correct technique, we're going to start with our feet in nice and close together, and as we move out with our legs, we're going to bring our arms up on top of our head and back in. That is one full star jump, so we're going to keep doing that for this activity. Guys, Miss Harvey here. So skipping is a great form of cardio exercise. I'm going to do a little demonstration of how you can skip. Make sure you don't fall over your rope. So it doesn't have to be too high. Okay, if you haven't got a skipping rope, you could try some roller skating or you could try some trampolining. Good luck, guys.
Don't forget, this is a house event. And so during the month of November, you can do your triathlon as many times as you want to gain more house points. Let's see who's going to be the winning house. Good luck.